In this video, I will be sharing with you the U.S. housing market outlook for 2025. As you're watching this, it's July 2025, and I'm going to be covering areas such as mortgage rates, home prices, housing inventory, affordability, and a quick summary towards the end. So I hope you stick with me through this video, okay? So the U.S. housing market in 2025 is characterized by a bunch of trends, including easing mortgage rates, slower home price growth, and increasing housing inventory, okay? So here's a breakdown of the key factors. Now, we're gonna be talking about mortgage rates. So mortgage rates are expected to gradually decline throughout 2025, but they should remain above 6% for the rest of 2025, okay? So just above 6%, it should rest. Now, the average 30-year fixed mortgage, which is the most popular mortgage, is projected to settle around 6.25% by the end of the year. Okay, that's for the 30-year fixed rate mortgage. Now, there are factors like a resilient economy, inflation risk, potential policy changes, which could include tariffs, and that could slow the decline of mortgage rates, okay? Now let's dive into home prices. So home prices, they appreciated, but they're expected to slow a little bit compared to recent years, okay? Now, I don't see that they're going to dip, right? But they have a projected increase of about 3.1% according to National Association of Realtors, and that could increase the median home price for existing homes though, okay? Slower price growth is attributed to increasing inventory affordability challenges. There will be challenges in terms of home buyers, especially younger home buyers looking to purchase a home. Now, because we have a solid economy, believe it or not, and housing fundamentals are in place, a nationwide price drop is not anticipated. So don't expect those home prices to go down too much, okay? Let's talk housing inventory. So housing inventory is the amount of homes that are on the market for home buyers. Now, existing home inventory is projected to increase in 2025, okay? We're already halfway through, but it's going to be at a slower pace than in 2024. This increase is attributed to factors such as slower buyer activity because many buyers are on the fence because they don't want the higher interest rate, although younger home buyers are actually becoming more accustomed to interest rates being higher, okay? But homeowners listing homes, there are going to be homeowners listing homes due to life changes, right? A divorce. People don't wait until the market's better if they're getting a divorce and they have to basically sell their home. Seniors looking to downsize, or they have to downsize, or they have to go into an assisted living home. I've had experience with that being a senior real estate specialist. Just something to share with you there. Now, despite the increase, inventory levels are expected to remain below pre-pandemic norms, okay? What this means? Well, this means that buyers may still face limited choices of homes and potentially competitive bidding wars in high demand areas. In some areas, homes are still flying off the market. The last thing is affordability. So affordability remains a significant concern, especially first-time home buyers. Home prices have gone up. First-time home buyers, especially in this group, they are just nervous about being able to afford a home, which I think is pretty sad. I hope that will get better, actually. High home prices and mortgage rates above 6% create barriers to entry for many households. You have people that want to sell their home, but they don't want to go on the buying side and have a higher interest rate, so they're not selling. Many groups, okay? However, nominal wage growth is expected to outpace home price appreciation in 2025, offering some relief to buyers with stable incomes. In summary, the 2025 housing market does present a complex picture. Buyers may find some relief in moderating mortgage rates and slower price growth, but affordability challenges are still a concern and they're out there, as well as limited housing inventory. Sellers in higher income markets may benefit from price appreciation, while those in other areas may need to adjust their expectations. So there's still a concern here, but I feel that it will overall get better, the housing market that is. as we get closer to 2026. So share your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think.